Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com here with a very special unboxing and sniff test because Postman Fro brought us a package from the YouTubes. That's right, it's a box. And it says YouTube. Let's open it and see what's in the box. I was gonna be like, Steven, can you make it glow a color when you, Steven, can you actually do that? I should have put a light in here and been like glowy, but it's not. First things first, foam. Ooh, there's a letter from YouTube. And it says, you're bigger than Vancouver. No shit. You're bigger than Venice. That's right. You're even bigger than Las Vegas. 1 million subscribers. So as you can tell from the title, this is unboxing and sniff testing of the 1 million subscriber plaque that YouTube sends you. It's actually pretty cool. So it says all this stuff. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is a reward enough. Yeah, so rewarding. I mean, it is rewarding, but it's also nice to get plaques in the mail. With your track record, we suspect you're only going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone. 17-inch arms. It really says it. They want to see me. They're like, you're growing, your arms are growing. All right, you don't want to hear me talk about this. There's also another thing in here, and it says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us at bleep. I'm not telling you. Thanks, Rick, for packaging this plaque. So let's get it out of the box and show you what it is. This, I just spit on it, is, ooh, look at my shadow. I mean, my reflection. This is it. This is the 1 million YouTube subscriber plaque. You get one at 100,000, which I got, and I thought I was so cool. I'm like, hey guys, I got this 100,000 subscriber plaque. I am the greatest ever. Yeah, it's not true because some people add like 1 million subscribers a month. But anyway, this is a very nice accomplishment, and I want to thank YouTube for sending this out, for sending this here. And it says, presented to FroKnowsPhoto for passing 1 million subscribers, YouTube, and there it is, gold plaque. Super cool. Don't know where we're gonna hang it, but what's it smell like? Sweet, 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 sweet success. I have reached the mountain. There is nowhere else to go. Well, actually, that's not true. There's somewhere else to go, and that's more, like 10 million. Because the next time you get something, it's at 10 million, you get a diamond play button. Very few people have one of those. But do we think that it will pass the wind tunnel test? How do I even do the wind tunnel test? Like this. I spit on it again. You think it's real gold, Steven?
No.
No? You know when you get a gold plaque in the, you're in the Olympics and you get a gold medal, you're like, oh, I dented it. Anyway, this is what you get. You don't get money, even though, honestly, when I hit 100,000 subscribers, there was a $500 gift card to B&H in there that I got to spend. I don't know when they stopped doing that, but that's pretty cool that you reach a milestone and they ended up giving you money. So, you know, ooh, there's one other thing in the bag, in the back box. Super, super something. Is it a baseball card? No, it says don't eat. Anyway, don't eat it. So honestly, guys, I really appreciate the fact that you've taken the time to, one, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe now because I'd like to get the next plaque at 10 million, which in this case I will see in about 17 years. And then I'll be old making YouTube videos. But that's it. This is what you get for hitting 1 million. So thank you guys out there for that. And YouTube, thank you for sending out this plaque. Onwards and upwards. And a big thank you again to everyone out there. Thank you very much for watching. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.